Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice problem which lot of people could not figure out. Okay, and trust me, this is very easy. One very important thing you need to remember is, see, whenever you have log of a to the base b, you can write it as nothing but what, log of a upon log of b. Okay, so here this becomes log of, see, 9 can be written as 3 square, and 4 can also be written as what, 2 square, into log of 2 upon log of x. Okay, now very important, log of any number a raised to m can be written as m log a. So here I can write this as nothing but what, 2 log 3 upon 2 log 2 into log of 2 upon log of x equals to 1. So this will cancel, and this will also cancel. So now all we are left with is what, log of 3 upon log x. So basically this can be written in this format, that is nothing but what, log of 3 to the base x equals to 1. Now remember, here from this there is another rule of logarithm which says that you can get rid of, sorry, if this was equals to, let's say this was equals to c. Okay, let me write it over here. This is going to get confusing otherwise. Log of a to the base c is equals to c. Okay, so now in order to get rid of log, we can do this as a equals to b raised to c. So here, therefore, I can say 3 equals to x raised to 1. Therefore, I can say value of x comes out to be just 3. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.